In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the YouTube app on your PC. Now, it's a very simple process. So what you're going to want to do is open up a web browser. I'm going to do this in Google Chrome and follow the steps of how you can download the YouTube app through Google Chrome. So we're going to open up a web browser, and then what we're going to want to do is we're going to search for YouTube and go to youtube.com. You can either Google search it and click through the link or go straight to the youtube.com website. And then once you're on YouTube, we're going to go to the settings, and that's in the top right. There's these three dots on your Google Chrome browser. So we're going to click on that. And then down here, there is an option to cast, save, and share. It's going to bring up a submenu. And then here you see the option to install YouTube. So I'm going to go ahead and click install YouTube. And then we're going to go ahead and click install. And then once it's installed, you can see the YouTube application has now opened up its own window. And this has created a desktop shortcut as well. So if you ever exit out of the YouTube app, you can see here that the YouTube app now has a desktop shortcut. So I'm going to double click that, and then it pulls up YouTube. So that is how you can download the YouTube app on a PC using any web browser. Hopefully you found this helpful. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe.